Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by locking the content and format. Decide if this QR links to a URL, Wi-Fi network, contact card, or a short text. Once chosen, pick output size and contrast. Make sure contrast is at least 70% for scanners. Next, choose a generator, an offline app for privacy, or a library like Python QR code for automation. Now create a basic QR at default error correction to verify scanning. This first file confirms your data and sizing before customizing further. Once you have a working QR, raise error correction to Q or H if you plan a logo or stylized design, because that preserves readability when parts are obscured. Then place your logo within the center safe area and keep the quiet zone at 4 modules to avoid scanning issues. Export vector, SVG/PDF, for printing and raster, PNG for web. Make sure to test on 3 devices and in different light. Iteratively tweak size or contrast until scanning is reliable. You're close. Export final assets, SVG or PDF for professional print, and 300 DPI PNG for online use. Make sure the scanned URL resolves and that short links use persistent redirects to avoid future breakage. For mobile, aim for a module size that yields at least 2 mm per module in print. If scanners fail, try one key fix: increase module size or error correction, boost contrast, or reduce logo area. Then retest across devices to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.